Online security is a pressing concern for all websites, especially the small business owner. When your personal integrity is at stake, as well as your income, making sure that your website is Fort Knox safe should be your top priority.
So what you need is a wall of security around your website. I'm Joplin.
And I'm London.
We're going to talk to you a little bit about web application firewalls, or WAF for short.
A WAF intercepts and analyzes all incoming data and removes malicious code.
A WAF isn't just a lock on your door. It's more of like a bouncer at the front of your club that only allows certain people through while keeping out the creepy dudes and potential harmful threats.
Our deluxe and ultimate website security package includes a WAF, which protects against things like DDoS, injection, cross-site scripting, and zero-day.
While DDoS might be the one you're most familiar with, maybe not so much the others. That's where our WAF comes in because you don't know about those ones, but we do, and we can help you out.
In an injection attack, the hacker sends malicious data as a command or query to trick your website into doing something that it shouldn't, like giving them access to all your customers' data.
A cross-site scripting attack is when user-supplied data is sent to a browser without validating it first. Hackers use these flaws to hijack users or to face this site, causing some lost business for the site owner.
And last but not least, there's the zero-day attack, which typically is launched the day that a new vulnerability is found before a patch can be issued.
While these are impossible to predict, our WAF will patch your site within minutes as soon as the zero day is discovered.
A WAF is the best way to neutralize a variety of attacks at its source, making it a crucial part for your business's web security. I'm London.
And I'm Joplin.
Thanks for watching.